love you long time. Yeah, long time. I gonna love you long time. Oh.
What's up, Diamond Squad? It's your guest Night Diamond here, and I'm back with another video. This is the first time you see my face on your screen. Make sure you guys go ahead and click the subscribe button, smash the like button, turn the notification on so you miss any of posts. And last but not least, before Diamond Squad, let's go back up right now and give this video a like. Make sure you guys go check out my recent videos. They'll be up in the cards. So yeah, I'm pre-recording. Well, I'm pre-recording this the same day that I recorded the collab videos. So just yeah, I had so I still have the makeup on my face except for the eyeshadow and the lipstick. So yeah, but anyways, today I'm going to be reviewing the new Colourpop x Lizzie McGuire and the Colourpop x Bambi. So now these are a collection. So they have a collection for both of these. The Lizzie McGuire collection has the palette, of course, 3 glosses, lip scrub, blush, I think, 3 blushes, I think. And the Bambi one, it has 2 other palettes, which the Thumper and the Flower palette. And it has blush, I believe. It has 3 lipsticks. And yeah, I think that's it. There could be, I think there's lip pencils too in the Bambi collection. But I only decided to get the palettes for these. I was honestly kind of disappointed because this was $14 and this is like really small, you guys. This is basically like a travel size, makeup palette, which, I mean, then again, I can use it for travel, so it is what it is. But this one was $22, so yeah, I grew up watching both of these basically. But this show, Lizzie McGuire, this was my show growing up, okay? This was legit my show. Like, when I saw they was coming out with this, I was so excited, y'all. Like, So, here is the palette. Oh, and this is the back. And the mirror, it looks like that. And then the shades, look how gorgeous these shades are. But yeah, I was very, very impressed with the color story in this palette. So I really like Colourpop's formula and stuff. So yeah, this one is like that. I had bought double of this, so I returned the other one in Ulta, and I still didn't get my money back from them. So I'm still waiting on that. So when you open it inside, the mirror has Bambi on it, and then the shades. The shades are like that. So so this one is like a matte shimmer, and then this one's like actual shimmer, right? These are both pressed pink palettes. Let me see, pressed powder palettes. So okay, I'm gonna start off with this one because this one has less shades. So I must swatch this. Yeah, I don't remember how the Bambi story goes. Like, I don't remember at all. It's been like, last time I watched Bambi, I was like, what, 5-6 years old. I don't remember nothing from Bambi at all. But I remember like other Disney movies for some reason, but not Bambi. Like, I think I only watched Bambi one time, and that was it. So maybe that's why. Let me switch that shade again. So this brown shade has like gold shimmers in it, which Colourpop does that a lot with their matte shades. So, and okay, this one, I think is the last one. Okay, so I have the sticker thing to help me like swatch it better. and stuff. So I'm gonna take it off in a minute, so y'all can see it better. But I'm gonna just try to put this back in here. Okay, let me just, I don't want this video to be too long because my video's been really long lately, and I don't want that. I don't keep one of my videos to be long like this. So let me just do that. Okay. Alright guys, so I went ahead and swatch the shades. Okay, so from the green, oh my gosh, from the green to down here, or from the Lizzie McGuire palette, and I absolutely love these color choices. I want to make an eye look with these colors. Looks so pretty. And I swatched some of them more than once because I don't like swatching something one time unless it's very pigmented. Then I just swatch it one time. Like some of the shimmers were very pigmented, so I just have to swatch it one time. But I hate it when I see like certain videos where the people just, you know, swatch it one time, and it's like, come on, you need to give it another swatch so like it could look pigmented, you know what I mean? But yeah, so this palette also has a pressed glitter in here. So this is the pressed glitter that's in here. And yeah, it has two mattes that have like shimmers in there, as you can see. So yeah, I'm just basically gonna do a look with both palettes. So yeah, like these are basically the never mind, I'm gonna just get to that in the end. So yeah. Alright guys, so this is the, every time something is always falling. I don't get it. Okay, but anyways, this is the final look. So for the lips, I went ahead and used my Afrique lipstick from Juvia's Place. Mascara, I used my Fenty Beauty mascara. Concealer. Eyeliner, I used my NYX Epic Ink liner. Now, okay, so basically for the Bambi side, I use all the shades to create this. I wanted to create like a halo look going on with this side. I was going to do it for the Lizzie McGuire side, but because I wanted to use a lot more colors in the Lizzie McGuire side, I decided to do the halo thing with the Bambi side. Now, with Lizzie McGuire, I did use this pink shade as like my crease and everything. And then I also blended in with the purple. Like I blended the purple in with the pink a little bit there. And then I use this shimmer, and this shimmer, which is the purple, the pink, and the green, all right here. These are a bit more chunky. This one is okay, but these are a little bit more chunky. I did use my finger for the shimmers so that they could show up, you know, more pigmented and stuff. Because with the brush, it wasn't really doing that. I mean, you can always do that if you want your shimmer to show up more pigmented on the eyelids. Use your finger, or you could just wet your brush. I haven't wet my brush in a long time, so that's why I just use my finger. Same thing, but yeah, I'm impressed as always. I've tried Colourpop palettes a lot of times. I have a lot of Colourpop Disney collections, honestly. The only Disney collection I don't have from Colourpop is the Hocus Pocus one, which I didn't get it because I don't know, I never seen the movie. I know, like, I never seen that movie. So, listen, when it comes to Disney collab, if I don't know of it, never seen it, I most likely won't buy it. It's just like the Aristocats collection that I Heart Revolution came out with. I know that's a movie. I've seen the trailer lots of times as a kid, and I always wanted to watch it, but I never watched it for some reason. I don't know why. So I don't really know much of that movie, so I didn't get that collection either. So yeah, like certain Disney, like the Mary Poppins collection. I don't know who came up with the Mary. Did Colourpop come with the Mary Poppins collection? I think they did. I seen Mary Poppins, but I wasn't too impressed with the Mary Poppins collection. That's why I didn't pick it up. But yeah, anyways, y'all let me know what. So yeah, I wanted to really do like a red lipstick because I hardly ever put red lipstick like that. So unless it's a certain look I do that I would put red lipstick. Not usually with a pink eyeshadow look I wouldn't put red lipstick with. But because I had this gold and brown going on, I like to put red lipstick with gold and brown. So that's why I decided to do red lipstick. But yeah, and the lipstick kept falling in my teeth. Like it kept getting on my teeth. It was so freaking annoying. But anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new, click the notification if you haven't. Actually, let me stand up so you guys can see I look much better in front of the window. Yeah, so you see how red this is. It looks like kind of like red velvet, like a red pinkish color. But yeah, it more goes with this side than this side, I would say. But I just wanted to do that. But anyways, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.
A major part of my life. Hey boy, I wanna be your wife, 'cause you're a major part of my life.